9 Acres RV here coming to you with a brand spanking new arrival to us. It is a 2020 Jayco Jay Flight. The model number is 34RSBS. This is an awesome couples unit. 3 slides. We got 2 rear opposing slides for an awesome living room, plus another slide for the king size bed. It's like owning a 5th wheel travel trailer, but in a tow behind. It is prepped for a backup camera. The ladder is there. Oh yeah. Hopefully I don't forget. That is for the barbecue that's inside. This is a 50 amp power connection, by the way. There is 1 roof mounted AC. But we do have a nice fireplace. This is a storage underneath the king size bed. There's your 50 amp power connection. 2 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. We got a power tongue jack on the front. Power awning with an LED light. Out here, folks, place to mount a TV, cable connection, power connection. That works. We got some solid steps that need to be cleaned up. Taking a look at the dry weight here, we're looking at 90 to 50 pounds. So if you're towing around, you might want to consider a 3/4 ton. Unless your half ton is very well equipped to pull that kind of weight. Okay, we got 4 chairs and a table. Look at the beautiful valances all throughout. Stacy Stewart theater seating. They are heated, massaging, and they have that nice LED light down low. Oh, it's not on. Let me turn these on. Here we go. What do you think of that? Out back. Nice huge sofa that does convert into a bed. Directly in front of those theater seats, we have a fireplace that does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. Look at the size of this TV. I'm gonna go out on a limb and I'm gonna say that's awfully close to 60 inches. You got the stereo right here. This Norcold fridge, that works on propane and electricity. Folks, I do want to point out, we have not cleaned this unit yet. I do see dirt here and there. I think I'm gonna put this one on the list to get done next. So by the time you get here, it'll be nice and even more shiny than it is right now. I definitely see a coffee maker over there. Love this floor plan. Here's your control center. Your 3 slide outs. Bathroom. Yes, that is a ceramic toilet. Lots and lots of storage right here. Medicine cabinet. Another skylight. Oh yeah, speaking of skylight, did I show you this one? Love this one. And you get a bald head like me? No problem. Taken care of. All right, shut this door. Master bedroom up next. And here it is. We got our own slide in here. That is awesome. Opposing windows within that slide for great cross ventilation. Another TV. We have storage. Over here. Closet right here. We're in the front cap. Oh, looks like the previous owner put some type of dresser in here. Yep. For even more storage. Charging center. Lay your phone down right here. Plug in your USB. Oh, wow. I like it. I'm looking forward to seeing this all cleaned up when we get Dawn or my work wife Gloria on this. Can't wait. If you like what you're seeing, folks, we're over at 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. Please give us a call at 388-5751 ahead of time so we have this ready for you to show. And also have a salesperson to help you out. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.